So guys, in this bit of the video we're doing some covering up. Now what do I use? I use a roll of polythene sheet. Best thing you can ever do is buy a roll of it because it comes 2 metres wide, 50 metres long. This cost me £7 a roll. Okay? It's disposable. Now if you're very careful you can reuse a lot of this, but covering furniture up it is absolutely brilliant. See, I've cut a piece off already. Give it a good shake like that. Make sure you've got everything and straight over the furniture like so. And all you need to do is take some masking tape and stick it down. Not very difficult, is it? All this does is stop it blowing around as well. And do the same to the other side. Now, because we've left the furniture in, we do need to do that because we're painting all the ceiling. Now this customer is probably not as fussy as most customers, but yeah, we don't want paint all over the furniture. It's like a light up thing and it can be quite awkward to get out. Now the second dust sheet I'm using, this is a new one, very similar to the one that's on the floor. I don't know if you can see that. So you could just about see this one on the floor. Now you might be thinking that's Hessian. No, well it is it is a cotton twill. However, it is lined on the back. Just let me open this one to show you what I mean. Again, this is a 3 by 4 metre dust sheet. You can buy them anywhere. I picked this up from B&Q, standing in front of the camera there. You fold it out, immediately notice polythene on the back. Very similar to what's round that. Now, polythene, what does polythene do? It stops any liquids going through onto the floor. I don't know if you can see the floor here. This floor is wood. It's a wood laminate. Now, you take the carpet there, the bit of rug there, if that was a carpet and you spilt some paint on that, what would happen? You would have a massive stain in the carpet. You don't want that, not in a customer's house. Same with the wood floor. You don't want to be cleaning paint up all day long on the wood floor. Some of these dust sheets that you buy, that have the same cotton twill, right? They don't stop dust going through, they don't stop water, they don't stop paint, they don't stop nothing. Now I don't know whether you can see on this one, this is one that I've been using for plastering. Again, the same is true with plaster. If you drop plaster on a carpet, it takes forever to get it out. So you end up with a dirty grey brown stain in someone's carpet that could have been avoided just by putting a dust sheet down. Now I know they call them dust sheets in a lot of suppliers, but a lot of them do not stop the dust, and that is a big problem. So I buy these, which, like I've said earlier, they have polythene. It's very similar to this polythene, although this is thinner and this is thicker on here. You can hear it rattling around. But these are ideal if you're going to be spraying. It doesn't matter what you're doing. If you are spraying, or even if you just roll it in it. If you drop, like I said, if you drop some paint down on the floor, you're cleaning it up. So get some dust sheets, do your research, watch YouTube videos. A lot of people on YouTube with various different types of dust sheets. Like I said, these are the ones that I use. So I'm not selling these, I'm not making any money out of any supplier anywhere. I'm not getting any sponsorship for this, I'm just making recommendations for people. But what products are available, and you can probably pick these up from most major suppliers. You need to make sure, if you're wanting the polythene ones, that it says it has a polythene backing on them. They're quite lightweight. If you feel that side again, that's that cotton twill. It's not as thick as the other ones that they do. They don't have the polythene backing, but the main thing is you're stopping anything liquidy going through. I mean, oil-based paints, if you put oil-based paint on them, it will go through. This polythene stops that. It's the barrier. It's like a damp course. It's a barrier that stops anything going through. Dust, liquids, oil-based paints, plaster, filler, anything that you might drop on the floor or even kick over. You might have your can of paint there. You might have it balanced on a ladder, for instance. Ladder gives way, paint goes everywhere. You're walking round, trip over the ladder, paint goes everywhere. Put your paint on the floor, you forget it's there, paint goes everywhere. You see, you get the idea, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, you sound like you know what you're talking about. I do, I've been there and I've done it, so trust me, spending a few minutes or an hour or so just prepping your job, making sure everything's covered up, will save you a lot of time in the long run cleaning up later if you do have any accidents. So there you go. That's my advice on dust sheets. We'll get this one set up now, and then we'll catch you in another video later. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for smashing the like button. You do appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the videos. Hope you're getting something out of this this channel as well. Thanks for buying me a coffee as well. Link down in the description if you want to buy me a coffee. That would be much appreciated. We do appreciate all the support on this channel because we don't make any money out of it. It's literally just what YouTube pay and the people who buy me a coffee. So thanks again. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in a video soon. Thanks for watching.